Al Curtis here from Ask the Pool Guy, answering a question that we received on our blog. Well, the question is, how do I know when it's time to change the sand in the filter? Easiest way to find out is if you're having issues with the water not staying clear. Water clarity is everything. What happens is, as the sand, which the water travels down through the sand, as the debris gets trapped in the sand, it gets trapped in layers. And each time you backwash out, you're getting a lot of the surface debris out, but not necessarily the layers of debris that are further down. So what happens is the filter plugs up. And as the water comes into the filter, it tends to go around the edges. It's called channeling, where it'll either create channels through the sand, or it'll go down to the edge and back out and never get filtered. So first off would be, is your water clarity not good and you can't seem to get it to be clean? Adding clarifiers doesn't seem to help. That type of thing's happening, and for whatever reason you're not getting good clarity. That's your number one. The other thing that you could do, if that's not an issue but you're still concerned, would be disassemble the filter and take a look at the sand, the bed of sand. And if it looks like it's solid across the top and the edges are rounded down, when you look into the tank on the edges you'll see it rounded down. That'll tell you that it's certainly time to change the sand, because you've got this channeling issue. And channeling is literally the water is traveling through the filter without going through the sand and just returning back to the pool.